Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, light reflection and refraction. Let us discuss about the definition of light. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things. That means until and unless light falls on any object, we can't see them. Say for example, we can take the example of a diamond. If the diamond is kept in a dark room, then we can't see it. We can see diamond only because when light falls on it, it sparkles. Now, nature of light. Light behaves as a ray. That means we can see the example of reflection. Then light behaves like a wave. We can see the example of interference and diffraction. We will be learning these. And light behave as a particle. Example, photoelectric effect. The next point is laws of reflection. We have learned about laws of reflection in class 8. Let me remind you once more. The first law of reflection is the incident ray and the reflected ray must always be equal. That means the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Second law of reflection is the angle of incidence, the normal and the angle of reflection all must lie in a same plane. So these are the two laws of reflection. In this chapter, basically we will be focusing on the laws of refraction. That is light entering into another medium, that is different medium. When light enters from one medium to another, it gets absorbed. It may bounce back or it may pass through or bends, that is refraction. The students, below you can see a picture. Here light is coming from a torch, that is source, and entering into the water. The point where the light ray from the torch touches the surface of the water, from there it is bending. That means the value of theta 1 is greater than the value of theta 2 in the first picture. And in the second picture, that is the picture that is given on the right hand side, the value of theta 2 is greater than the value of theta 1. That means in the picture that is given on left hand side, the light is coming from the torch, and in the second picture, light is going out towards the torch. So in both the cases, the angle of incidence and angle of refraction, so to say, differs. That means whenever light enters from one medium to another, we must note this point that whenever the light enters from one medium to another, then there is the change in the angle. That means if a light enters from a rarer medium to denser medium, it will always bend towards the normal, and if a light comes out from a denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. This is what refraction is. Now, characteristics of light. Speed of light, as you know, is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This speed of light is given based on its speed in air. Reflection of light by another media. A media that is polished well without any irregularities or its surface will cause regular reflection of light. You can see the example in a plane mirror. And if the surface is irregular, then you can't get a regular reflection. Laws of reflection that we had discussed, angle I is equal to angle R. And in our coming class, we will be learning more about the laws of refraction. Thank you.